What's up, Kai fans? We've got ourselves a Dranzer G. Yes, I'm all excited because I've got myself this amazing Beyblade from the G Revolution series. It looks all new because I've just applied the sticker sheets, and today we're going to test this Beyblade. We're going to see how it spins, and yes, let's see how Dranzer G does today and forever. Dranzer G versus Dragoon G. So these both are like the protagonist and antagonist, but of the same team, and that's why this this match is the most wanted one. 3, 2, 1, push. So people will enjoy this match, huh? Yeah. People like both of these areas, Dragoon G and Dranzer G. Okay.
Both are losing speed.
Yeah.
Mine has more. Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, Dranzer wins. Ready? Yeah. Next battle. Now you play it. 3, 2, 1, go. You hear that sound? You didn't get. Yeah. Now my turn. Okay, good. Survival. Come, we'll have our last battle.
Yeah.
So Dranzer wins. Third match, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Dragon goes out of the stadium, and Dranzer still keeps spinning. And that's out.
Yeah, it's out.
So guys, maybe we can have another battle in the future. Thanks for watching. Do you like this guy? Dranzer G. Driger G versus Dranzer G. Let's begin. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
Straight up hits.
Cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that was a draw. Okay, next match. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Battle. Alright. Out of the stadium! Straight out. Okay, come last.
Final round.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. As was cuts.
Had me on the edge.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, nice.
Yeah, so we have a winner.
Gaia Dragoon versus Dranzer G. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. So not spun properly, but yeah. Usually Gaia Dragoon, okay. Alright.
I'm losing speed, looks like.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's just go to the second battle. That's left win, no? You're playing? Oh yeah, 1 second, huh? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, just chasing each other.
Okay. Okay. Alright, next match.
Final.
People will be very happy this one is winning. This is their favorite Beyblade.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Now you're more happy.
Straight knockout. We have a straight knockout.
Okay, one. Dranzer G versus Draciel G. Let's begin. Best of 3. Alright, Chris, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. Dranzer G versus Draciel G. Okay. So one is defense, one is stamina.
Okay.
Alright. Oh. Nice. Okay, second battle.
Second battle.
First battle by Dranzer. Good. 3, 2, 1, go. In the entire anime, This one is the loser Beyblade.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The green one.
Yeah. But he's still in one of the top champion teams.
Okay.
So it's not that bad. Okay.
Okay.
So I think we'll go to the
Final round.
We'll go to the final round. Right. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oops.
Wow. Alright.
It's a knockout. It's a knockout now.
Yeah.
It's a knockout. So we have a winner.
We have a winner. We'll go to Dranzer G. Dranzer G versus Black Dranzer. Let's begin. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. Oh. Good. So, Dranzer G versus Black Dranzer. Let's see who's gonna win this battle. Okay. Oh.
Straight up shots.
Yeah. Some up attacks. Alright. Okay, good. So I will move Black Dranzer to attack mode now. Now you'll go more faster.
Whoa, let's go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oops.
Oh, it actually went to attack mode, alright?
Yeah. Okay, good. That's our battle. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go. You move. Your attack mode is changed. You went to stamina mode once again. Okay.
We have a winner.
You have a winner. This should have been straight. Anyway, good.
Yeah.
Blizzard Orthus versus Dranzer Gigs. Okay. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. People would not use this Beyblade in battle.
Yeah. Oh my god. Both of them flew?
Both of them went out, guys. Wow. Because this is too rare and too expensive.
Yeah. How expensive?
This one now it would cost around, let's say, maybe around 9,000-10,000.
My god.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Expensive doesn't mean it's good.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, it's just rare because it was made from I think we used to get it in a random booster. So that's just their way of selling products, making it rare, making it scanty so that people go to get it.
And price increases.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, 3 consecutive out knocks.
Nice. Come.
Looks like, what is this called?
Dranzer G.
Dranzer G is the king of all, huh?
Yeah.
Like in this battle what we are playing, huh?
Yeah. Okay, this is nice.
So another one?
Yeah, I'll have another one. Other 2 short battles. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You just get out.
He's
Wow.
just going out.
Just going out. I think the first one was just a fluke. Anyway, come on, last.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oops.
Did we just break it, guys? Did we just break something? Look at this.
Wow,
Oh gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
What is this?
Dranzer G is in pieces and Orthus is safe. Oh gosh. Oh god. This is terrific. I hope nothing broke from here. But these metal pieces are gone off. Wow. So nice. You can get a good thumbnail with this. You have got the other pieces? You.
2 flew behind you.
2 flew behind me.
How did they fly so much
No,
far?
I think these are some others. But anyway. So this is what Orthus G has done. Sorry, Blizzard Orthus has done to Dranzer G. How sad.
Shit.
Gigars versus Dranzer G. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh.
Both are attack?
Yeah, looks like that. You have the stamina, but okay.
Okay.
Cool, not bad. Alright, Dranzer G.
Oh!
Gigars. I thought Gigars would win. Okay, next battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Ooh, what was that? Stickers.
Sticker
I
flew?
broke the Gigars stickers, yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it actually flew,
Yeah.
huh?
Anyway, stickers are not a problem. We'll go to the third match. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, cool.
Straight up shots. Whoa.
Gigars is good.
Whoa.
At the end.
Out.
Okay, good. Nice battle.